everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back, passionate. Welcome, bienvenue. Today's video will be a discussion video and it's part 1 because part 2 will be an unboxing, but I have first to explain you something, so let's go. If you do not follow my channel and you do not know, I'm a bag collector and I mainly love leather bags. I have a real passion for leather. I love the touch feeling. I love to feel it. I love to smell it. I really like it. And since a bunch of time now, since more than a year, yes, really more than a year, I fell in love with some types of bags. Unfortunately, but I will explain you in detail, I'm dreaming about brands, but that are not available in France or in Europe. The very first brand, it's called Portland Leather Goods. So if you're based in North America, maybe you know this brand. I love every single item they produce. They are just on the pics you see amazing leather, you see amazing colors. I love their collection. I saw a bunch of reviews. Oh, by the way, if you want nice review, have a look at Dawn's Love Couture, Eva from the channel Fuchsia Floyd, as well as Rack Review. Those three girls are just the sweetest, and have a look at their channel and subscribe. I will link their contact, and they have Portland Leather Goods. If you don't know, watch their reviews. And I have contacted Portland several times through their website, through Instagram, begging them to send me one bag to see them in real. And they always answer me because they are really nice. They always answer me, sorry, we do not deliver outside North America. I can understand, guys. I can understand because shipping is expensive and it's lead to many other aspects. It's not only shipping something, there's also the security of the parcel. So I can understand, but I have to say it's quite sad because I do think seriously that Portland Leather Goods got a future here in Europe. I'm certain if they sell their bags and their product here in Europe, they will have a lot of success. But okay, it's like this. And the second brand is MADEWELL. And so I've got an experience with MADEWELL. MADEWELL is also an American brand. And if you look at the website, you can, here in Europe, you can see that they can ship to you in France. So I was super happy. I tried, and unfortunately it does not work. I placed 2 orders and the 2 orders were cancelled. I don't know if it was the period because I just ordered, several days before Christmas, or maybe they have too much shipping to treat, I don't know. But 2 orders cancelled. I think it's a big it's a big disappointing, sorry. So, I don't know, I do not know of a person in Europe who have ever done an order to MADEWELL website, but I am quite sad. I will show you pics of what I have ordered. It is the kind of tote bag I want. I want something, natural, vintage, and MADEWELL got similar tote to the one of Portland Leather Goods. Last information, so my 2 orders were cancelled from MADEWELL. I had nice contact because you can contact them, and it was kind of funny because the person told me, no worry, we do not take your money because we take the money only when we ship the item. Guys, check your bank account. They took my money twice and they didn't ship. So I wrote them and say, hey guys, you got my money, but you can sell me my orders because the first order which was cancelled, I wrote them, hey, why my orders were cancelled? Oh, sorry, it's just an error, try to place another order. So I placed another order and the second one was also cancelled. But they also took my money, so I repeat, they took my money twice. So I contacted them, and thankfully 3 days after I got my money back. But if I didn't check my bank account, what will happen? By the way, they got a very nice customer service, and they always answer. So this is the good side of MADEWELL. But to be honest, I don't think I will try to place a new order one day, because for me it's not brilliant. Point. I close the MADEWELL case. And the third American company, I love a product. It's called, I hope I pronounce it well, KMM&Co. And this is another price range, because I do think the leather it's even better quality. Their tote bags are really nice, I really appreciate, but this time the price, if it was based in Europe and you can transfer it to a country in Europe, I think it will be okay. But I do think that if I made an order there and then they ship it to me, I think the custom duties will be too much for me. So that's why I do not order from them. But I really like their product. I see a bunch of reviews. I do think it's a nice item. So, everything to explain you that finally, I was a bit sad, because I really love those kind of totes. This is something that no one, at the moment I look a lot, and I just found the French brand La Botte Gardienne, which made something similar, but the price, it's for me too much for what it is, because those kind of tote bag are super simple. It's 2 pieces of leather that you shoot with 2 top handles, and that's all. And I don't want to pay too much for it. And at the reflection, I was looking for a mini one, and finally I prefer a bigger one, because it will be a travel bag or a travel work bag. So I had a reflection, I look everywhere, and finally I find something on Etsy. For those who do not know, Etsy, it's a website. At the very beginning, it was for artisans, and now you have big companies on it, but most of the items are realized by artisans. And I find something. I am waiting for it, and I am excited. So, you know everything. Guys, if you are working at Portland Leather Goods and you are watching my video, you know I'm here. You can contact me if one day you want to ship something. Also KMM&Co, you can contact me. But guys, I keep fingers crossed I will receive my order from Etsy, because I placed it before Christmas, and they directly told you, okay, it will take a long time because we are making the bag for you, and it should arrive between the 9th of January and the 19th of January. So I am waiting, and this will be part 2. I will show you the bag, but I wanted to explain you everything. What can I say more? No, I think I told you everything, so thanks for watching. If you want to write me in the comment section if you're based in Europe and you have already orders from MADEWELL, please write me your experience. If you are from North America and you've got Portland Leather Goods, please write me also your experience with which kind of bag do you have. I want to read everything. And also, if you got KMM&Co, I'm sorry if I pronounce it very badly, write everything. It will be a pleasure to read you. We keep in touch, take care, and we see us in the next video. Bye bye, guys.